It's a sanctuary state showdown. President Trump's administration is now suing California, filing a complaint late today claiming California laws obstruct federal immigration efforts.
Well, we always prepare for the worst. That way, if the worst happens, we are prepared.
They're getting ready because massive protests are planned for tomorrow. The lawsuit names California's governor and attorney general as defendants, and its filing comes just hours ahead of a planned visit to Sacramento by U.S. Attorney General Jeff Sessions. Good evening. I'm Tony Lopez.
And I'm Christina Janes. CBS 13's Steve Large is live in downtown Sacramento, where Sessions will be speaking in the morning. Steve?
And here's a copy of the lawsuit filed tonight. It'll likely serve as the script for Jeff Sessions' speech tomorrow. Outside, these streets will likely be packed with demonstrators. The divide over immigration and so-called sanctuary state laws is now heading to court. The U.S. is suing the state of California, alleging California has no authority to enforce laws that obstruct or otherwise conflict with or discriminate against federal immigration enforcement efforts. The legal battle pitting U.S. Attorney General Jeff Sessions against California Attorney General Javier Becerra, both planning to speak at a California Peace Officers Association event Wednesday at the Sawyer Hotel. Becerra defended California's laws to reporters on the phone.
I think the record will speak for itself that we've proven that not only is California doing things the way it should under the law, but we've also proven that on numerous occasions the Trump administration has acted outside the law.
Sessions is expected to arrive in downtown Sacramento Wednesday morning, where organized protests are planned. Sacramento Mayor Darrell Steinberg, traveling in Washington, D.C. as this new legal battle emerged, called the lawsuit and Sessions' expected speech bully tactics.
I hope there are demonstrations tomorrow, but they must be peaceful demonstrations.
California Governor Jerry Brown, also named in the lawsuit, tweeted a statement. At a time of unprecedented political turmoil, Jeff Sessions has come to California to further divide and polarize America. Jeff, these political stunts may be the norm in Washington, but they don't work here. Sad. An immigration showdown in downtown Sacramento. The U.S. lawsuit against California now filed. Next, Jeff Sessions flies in to the state he's now suing. And as for the next legal steps, Javier Becerra says he'll have to write a response to this lawsuit. As for how fast this moves to the court, he says that'll be up to the federal government.
Steve, thanks. A couple more details on this now. Sessions is expected to arrive at the Sawyer Hotel at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning and begin speaking to the California Peace Officers Association right away.
He is expected to leave immediately after his speech takes place. Now, a number of groups are planning protests outside the hotel starting at 7:30 in the morning. The California Highway Patrol will be on the streets around the hotel, along with U.S. Marshals, the FBI, and Sacramento Police.
And our goal is to, make sure that the community stays safe, and we have plans in place if need be, depending on what presents tomorrow.
Now, if you do commute downtown in the morning, expect J Street from 3rd to 7th Street to be backed up from 7:30 to 10:30 in the morning.
And you can watch the Attorney General's speech live on CBS 13 tomorrow morning. We'll also be streaming it on our website, cbs13.com.